Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Let's improve your pronunciation of American English by working on the vowel sounds. One of the best things that you can do to improve your overall pronunciation is to improve your pronunciation of the vowels in English. So we're going to work with the short O in this lesson, and the short O is represented by this symbol. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's do a quick review of what we've already learned in the previous lessons. If you haven't seen the previous lessons, you can find them on our channel homepage. So the first lesson on vowels was the short A, and it's represented by this symbol here in the International Phonetic Alphabet. So when you see this symbol, it represents the sound ah, ah, ah. So that's the sound we use in these words here. Bat, cat, hat, rat, sat, have. Repeat that several times and you'll improve your pronunciation. Okay, our next lesson was on the short E, which is represented by this symbol here. And the sound that this symbol represents is as in the words bed, read, fed, yes. Our lesson before this one was on the short I, and that is represented by this symbol here, and this symbol represents the sound I, as in the words it, sit, hit, bit. Okay, so now let's go on to our new sound. Listen to this sound. Ah, 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 ah. So this sound is represented by this symbol here in the International Phonetic Alphabet. So when you see this symbol, ah, it represents the sound ah, ah, ah. When we use the International Phonetic Alphabet, we place the symbols between slashes. So you see the slashes on the end. So this symbol, or this letter that you see here, represents the sound ah, ah, ah. I know it looks like the letter A in English, but this is not the English alphabet. This is the International Phonetic Alphabet. So keep that in mind. So again, this symbol, ah, ah. Okay, so let's pronounce a word and you try to guess what it is in English. So I will write the word in the International Phonetic Alphabet, or the IPA. Okay, so this letter or this symbol represents the sound p, 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 p. So put that together with the ah. So up, 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 up. Okay, that's not the complete word yet, so let's add another letter. Okay, so this letter or this symbol in the IPA represents the sound t, t, t. So t, ah, p, t, ah, p, t, ah, p. Do you know which word we're pronouncing in English? It's the word top, top. So this is how you write the word top. This is how you write it in the IPA. T, ah, p, t, ah, p, top, top. Put it all together, top, top. So remember, we're focusing on this vowel, ah, ah, ah. Let's try another word. Let's try another word, okay? So remember the sound is ah. So in English, this is, if you see this word, it's pronounced pop, pop, pop. Like a loud noise, pop. This is something we use to clean floors. Mop, mop. Remember the sound is ah, mop, mop. Hop, hop, hop. Again, the sound is ah, ah. Hop, hop. Let's look at some sentences with these words. Okay, so the first word, top. Remember the sound is ah. We are climbing to the top of the mountain. We are climbing to the top of the mountain. We are climbing to the top of the mountain. The top of the mountain. The word pop. I like to pop fireworks. I like to pop fireworks. Pop. I like to pop fireworks. Clean the floor with the mop. Mop, mop. Clean the floor with the mop. Rabbits like to hop. Hop. Rabbits like to hop. Rabbits like to hop. Rabbits like to hop. Hop, hop. Okay, so let's review and add our new sound. Remember a, bat, cat, hat, rat, sat, have. A, bed, read, fed, yes. It, sit, hit, bit. And now we have ah, top, pop, mop, hop. What? You want some more practice with the short O? Of course. Here's some more practice. Here are more words with the short O. In other words, the ah sound. So let's pronounce this together. Cob, gob, job, mob, rob, sob, bog, dog, fog, hog, jog, log, dot, got, hut, not, pot, box, fox, pox. Listen to this part of the video and repeat it several times, and you will improve your pronunciation of the short O. All right, everyone. Well, that's it for this lesson. I hope to see you in the next lesson. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're ready to continue to the next lesson, then click on the video that appears here. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day.